Stop wasting money on expensive eye supplements until you've tried this powerful kitchen staple. Would you believe that this single, everyday kitchen spice could literally wash away the problem that is threatening your eyesight? We usually think blurry vision, annoying floaters, and trouble focusing are just normal parts of getting older. But what if they aren't? What if the real problem is just a buildup of tiny microscopic trash, a sort of eye sludge, clogging up the delicate tubes in the back of your eyes? New research into vascular health has identified one specific plant that targets the delicate arteries in your eyes to restore your vision. This herb doesn't just hide the problem, it cleans off the rust, flushes out bad chemicals, and turns on your body's natural cleaning crew. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to use it to protect your vision. Before I continue, I need you to know that at Life Without Meds, we believe better health is possible at any age. Feel free to share your name and where you're from in the comments and join the conversation below. Let's talk about a natural remedy that completely changes how we care for aging eyes. We are going to look at exactly how a few simple items in your kitchen can act like tiny scrub brushes for your vision. In this video, we're going to cover 4 important things. Number 1, what this eye sludge actually is and why our eyes collect so much of it after age 60. Number 2, what this spice is and how it physically opens up the tubes in your eyes to wash out the garbage. Number 3, how this herb flips a switch inside your cells to protect your vision. And finally, this is the most important part, the exact everyday foods you must eat alongside this herb. Because if you take it the wrong way, your stomach acid will destroy it before it ever reaches your eyes. Quick note before we dive in. If you find this evidence-based breakdown helpful, please take 2 seconds to check if you are subscribed. It costs nothing, and it helps this vital information reach more people who need it. Now, let's start with what is actually happening in the back of your eye right now. Think of the back of your eye, the retina, like the plumbing in an older house. When the house was new, the pipes were wide open and water flowed perfectly. But over the decades, minerals build up, rust forms, debris gets caught. Eventually, the water slows to a trickling drip. The exact same thing happens in the tiny, fragile blood vessels of your eyes. Over the years, microscopic rust, dead cells, and even tiny traces of metals start to build up. This is the eye sludge. It blocks fresh oxygen from getting in, and it stops your eye from washing away dead cells. When these pipes get clogged, your vision suffers. You need a way to unclog the plumbing, flush the pipes, and scrub the walls clean. And that is where our kitchen herb comes in, saffron. Yes, the same beautiful golden red threads you might use to flavor a rice dish. But we aren't talking about flavor today. We are talking about the hidden healing powers inside saffron that do things most medicines cannot do. For saffron to clear out the sludge, it first has to get the blood flowing again. Saffron contains a special compound that tells your blood vessels to relax. Imagine taking a twisted garden hose and finally untangling it. The vessels widen and blood rushes in. But opening the pipes is only half the job. You still need to scrub the walls. That is where a second amazing part of saffron takes over. This part is so incredibly tiny that it easily slips past the security walls of your eyes, a place most vitamins can't reach. Once inside, it acts like deep cleaning soap. It floods those tiny pipes with fresh oxygen, physically scrubbing the walls and flushing out the stale, acidic waste that has been suffocating your vision. This brings us to the next amazing thing saffron does. It doesn't just act like a broom, it actually turns on the factory that builds the vacuums. Inside your cells, there is a master switch for your body's natural cleanup system. When we are young, this switch is always on, but as we get older, it gets stuck in the off position. Saffron acts like a finger that flips that switch back on. When this happens, your eye cells start pumping out their own natural protectors. These built-in protectors act like sponges for dangerous rust. They neutralize damaging acids, and they put a protective shield over your blood vessels so they don't get damaged again. But here's the catch. If you just eat a pinch of saffron by itself, you are missing out on most of the benefits. To actually flush your eyes, you have to combine it with specific everyday foods. Saffron is incredible at loosening the sludge and opening the pipes. But what happens to the tiny traces of metals, like microscopic bits of aluminum or mercury that get knocked loose? You need a way to safely escort them out of your body so they don't just settle somewhere else.
This is where you add cilantro. While saffron is the scrubber, cilantro is the magnet. Cilantro physically grabs onto these heavy metals trapped in your body. It holds onto them tightly and pulls them into your bloodstream so your body can safely flush them down the drain when you go to the bathroom.
Next, we need to supercharge the natural protectors that saffron just woke up. To do this, we turn to another common herb, rosemary. Rosemary has brilliant healing properties, but here's the secret most people miss. It is a team player. It works best when it holds hands with a specific mineral, zinc. When rosemary meets zinc in your system, they work together to dramatically boost the cleanup crew right inside your eyes. So how do you get this zinc? Simply add zinc-rich foods to your meals. A handful of pumpkin seeds sprinkled on a salad, or a hearty bowl of lentils or chickpeas. By eating these foods alongside rosemary, you are giving the saffron exactly the backup it needs. Now, pay very close attention to this final step, because this is the mistake that causes all of this to fail. Remember that tiny scrubber inside saffron we talked about? Well, it absolutely hates water. It only dissolves in fat. If you just boil saffron in plain water and drink it like a tea, your harsh stomach acids will destroy the active parts before they ever reach your bloodstream. It has no armor. To get this golden medicine into your eyes, you must give it an armored car to ride in. You must combine it with a healthy fat. This is why traditional healers have used something called saffron milk for centuries. By soaking a few threads of high-quality saffron in warm milk and adding a little bit of ghee, which is just clarified butter, you change the chemistry completely. The healthy fats surround the saffron, creating tiny protective bubbles. These fat bubbles act like an armored car, protecting the saffron from your stomach acid and delivering it safely straight to your eyes.
You don't need to do anything extreme to start protecting your eyes. You just need to be smart about your ingredients. By opening your eyes' pipes, boosting oxygen, and flipping the cleanup switch, saffron acts as an amazing tool to flush out the sludge. Here is your simple daily routine. Number 1, soak 3 to 4 high-quality saffron threads in a warm cup of milk. Dairy or almond milk works, with half a teaspoon of ghee or butter. Drink this to deliver the scrubbers to your eyes. Number 2, add fresh cilantro to your meals. Throw it in soups or on top of chicken to act as the metal magnet. Number 3, season your savory foods with rosemary and pair them with pumpkin seeds or chickpeas to build your eyes' protective shield. Eyes do not have to mean a slow slide into blurriness. Your body has an incredible ability to clean and repair itself when you give it the right tools. If this video helped you understand your body a little better, please hit the like button and subscribe. Now, I want to hear from you. Have you ever used saffron or ghee in your kitchen? And what is your favorite way to prepare them? Let me know in the comments below. Comment below with your questions or your experience with either ingredient. I read everything, and your questions shape what I cover next. This is Life Without Meds. Your body is extraordinary. Give them the support they deserve. The Lord is my strength and my shield. My heart trusts in him, and he helps me. That's from Psalms chapter 28, verse 7. Take care of the body God gave you. Your health is a stewardship. You can also check out other videos before on blood pressure, eye health, and stem cells. In the meantime, stay informed, stay healthy, and I will see you in the next video.